Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Kamusta kayong lahat? How is June treating you all so far? So if bago kayo sa channel, if bago kayo, napadpad kayo dito sa channel ko, this is Christine and welcome. Welcome to my channel where I share tips, some tricks kung meron man about finance, stocks, insurance, love, heartaches, and anything under the sun. So, um, this this video is part of my four-part series of the video I presented to my friends slash clients about how not to get broke in the stock market. So this is the last part, so pang 4 na siya. If you haven't watched yet the first one, part 1, part 2, and part 3, the links are on the description box. So sa part 1, pinag-usapan natin kung paano ba nagkakaroon ng shares and paano kumita sa stock market. Sa number 2, napag-usapan natin kung ano ba yung mga pagkakamali na nagagawa ng mga bagong investors or mga newbies sa pagpasok nila sa stock market. And then number 3, this is how to start. So, since alam mo na yung mga yon, so ano gagawin mo na ngayon? So, paano ka magsisimula? So, for this part, i-discuss naman natin I when to start. Okay? So, without further ado, please do continue. Please continue watching. I will not say anything. Please do continue watching and please do like, share, and subscribe. And your comments and suggestions are very much appreciated. Ayan, so when do you start? So now is actually the best time because it's COVID season. So mura siya lahat. As in, mababa yung presyo ng mga stocks ngayon. But wait. So, dapat ito muna. So bago ka mag-start na mag-invest sa stocks, you also have to consider this financial pyramid. So makikita nyo sa pinaka-bottom, you increase your cash flow. Next is you protect your active income. Next is you eliminate your debts kung meron man. And then, emergency funds. And saka pa lang sa investments, yung stocks. So bakit? So increase cash flow. Kasi unang-una sa lahat, wala kang pang-invest kung wala ka namang pera. 'Di ba? So kailangan meron kang excess o meron kang more than enough para makapag-invest dito sa stocks. And you also have to protect your active income since some of us naman ay meron ng coverage. Yan. Di mas maganda. And then eliminate your debts kung meron man. And then emergency funds. Lalong-lalo na ngayon. Kung nakikita nyo, di ba, may iba sa atin na affected yung employment this COVID season. So, yung iba, wala silang work. Or kung meron man silang work, ang binayaran lang sa kanila ay yung 1 month lang. Wala nang succeeding na mga sahod since wala ding pambayad yung mga employers, yung mga clients ng mga employers nila. So, pag nangyari yon, let's say naka-invest ka na sa stocks, sinimulan mo siya ngayon, pero hindi mo, wala ka nito, wala kang emergency funds, wala kang protection. So, ang mangyayari, since wala kang pang funds, wala kang pondo para sa mga expenses mo ngayon, i-withdraw mo tong stocks mo. I-withdraw mo yung investment mo. So, regardless kung, anong tawag dito, kung nag-gain ka man or loss ka, wala ka na magagawa. Kasi, di ba, kaysa naman nandyan siya, wala ka namang panggastos. So, isa-sell mo na lang siya, ibebenta mo na lang siya. So, hindi rin siya okay. So, kahit stocks siya or business, real estate, walang, anong tawag dito? Wala rin siyang saysay. Kasi ang purpose mo dito sa investments mo, sa stocks na yan, is to earn Para dun sa future, may pang-retirement ka, or may pang-bili ka ng bahay, pang-travel, matreat mo yung family mo. Lahat yun yung purpose mo for investing. Pero kung ngayon, hindi mo na-establish yung sa emergency funds and yung protection ng yung active income mo, yung protection ng sarili mo, lahat ng ito, ibebenta mo rin siya. 'Di ba? So, lahat yan, wala rin yung saysay. Kasi kailangan mo na ngayon Kailangan mo na siya. So, mas maganda na we do it like this, na you have to have yan, increase natin yung cash flow, and then protect natin yung active income, and then you have the emergency funds. Like, ayan, yung sinabi ko kanina, panggastos, lalo na ngayon. Kung hindi ka man nakatanggap ng SAP, yung Social Amelioration Program, paano pag nagkasakit ka naman, 'di ba? Nagkaroon ka ng, wag naman, 'di ba? Tinamaan ng COVID or other sickness. So lahat din 'yan, gagastusin mo rin 'to kasi wala kang panggastos dito. So mas maganda na i-follow natin 'to. So from increase to protect to eliminate emergency and then saka natin simulan. Okay? Ayan. Ayun. So ito na siya. Yan, how does stock market work? So I hope na meron kayong natutunan. Meron naman kayong natutunan and yes, Q&A. Woo! Okay, so that ends this 4 video series. So if you haven't watched part 1, 2, 3, please do watch them. I have shared the links on the description box below. Makikita niyo siya anywhere in this video. So for part 1, we discussed kung paano kumita sa stock market. For part 2, what are the 4 mistakes that you should avoid if you are newbie or thinking of going into the stock market. And on the part 3, paano magsimula? Ayan. So, I do hope that you find value in this post and napaisip ako, hindi itong video series hanggang part 4 lang siya. Pero this stock market basics, the stock market essentials, hindi siya matatapos sa part 4. So marami pa tong mga susunod. And speaking of susunod, I actually have another segment in mind, which is conversations with me. So ang title ng ating bagong serye ay Conversations with Tin, where I interview people, and kung di man interview, chill kwentuhan lang about anything under the sun. Ayan, so again, please do comment your suggestions, your feedback. So alam ko din if you're learning, if you may naiintindihan ba kayo sa mga sinasabi ko? So that's one way for me to find out. So again, thank you so much. If you've reached this part of the video, thank you so much. And please do like, share, and subscribe if you find value in this post. I'll really, really appreciate your comments. And if you have anything, anong tawag dito? If meron kayo naiisip na topic that you want me to discuss, that you want me to explore, please feel free to add it on the comment box below. So, ayun lang. Please watch for more videos to come, and there. Have a good life, live an awesome life, and have a good day, live an awesome life. Keep on exploring, keep on venturing, keep on breaking limits. Until next time. Ciao!